Evening traders, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 7th of June. Today I have two trades on the radar, but again, like yesterday, only one would ever be taken because they're both heavily correlated with each other. So the first one is US oil long and the other one is natural gas long, and we'll go through each one individually. So on US dollar here, US oil, sorry, we've got you could say inverse head and shoulder pattern here, but we've got a key level. RSI sitting at 0, what it was the other day. You could say got British MACD divergence with the lower lows here, but the high lows on MACD. Now with the candle formation itself, you've got low test, doji, and a pop to the upside. So to me that says a bit of deceleration, nice reversal, and the confirmation there. I'm only looking for a very short-term trade here, so a little 1%er, purely because I just want to make sure I'm in and out. So if you're looking here for in the actual 1 hour chart here, I've got I'm going to place an order around this area here. I'm going to put my stop roughly around about 74.2 roughly. I think it's quite nice. You've got a lot of protection here. You've got the pivot, you've got all the Fibonacci levels, the 50 EMA, and this downward sloping trend line, and the key level as well. So I like that quite nicely. I want to get up before the 4 hour 50, which is going to be roughly around about there. So I want to get out before that. The reason why is if we just take a little look at recent history, bit of respect, and in the past respect. And if you look at one of the first videos we took in the very beginning of the year, we had this old trade here actually as well, where we took it off the 4 hour 50 to take it short down to the lower lows there, and that was actually a win as well. So bear in mind, we don't want to trade through the 4 hour 50 when there's only a short term trade here as such. So also we've got a key level at 48.5 as well here. So for me personally, it's get out before that. So that's that one there, 1.2 between 1 and 1.25%, depending what we're going to take on the risk wise. But I said that's an order I'm going to place there. The second trade is natural gas long, and to be quite honest, that's almost exactly the same as US oil. It's almost got the same confidence factors as well. So we've got deceleration, reversal, and a pop to the upside, quite nice. We've got this free touch trend line, which is not too bad. We've got the key level there, and again we've got RSI sitting at 0. So I quite like that on a daily perspective. And again, you just want to get out before you could, if you want to push it, you could, like I said, push these to the daily 50s, but I personally don't. They're just in and out trades as such. So the intraday again is almost very identical to oil. Again, you've got this 4 hour 50 has been respected multiple times. I know when it chops around it doesn't get respected, but when it trends, this 4 hours 50 is being heavily respected every single time. So I don't want to be trading through it. So again, out before R1, which is 3.025. And again, you've got this a break up to the upside and then down test for the pivot and everything else there. I don't like this one as much, and this is my second favourite. Same kind of risk to reward ratio, but I just prefer the stop protection you've got on US oil. That's my personal favourite on that. That's all for the moment today, guys, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.